Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jen. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. This is day 16 of my Unboxing My Advent Calendar series. If you guys haven't seen the other ones, I will make sure to link the playlist up above so you can go check them out. But I have 3 different Advent calendars. I have a 24 Days of Tea by David's Tea, 24 Days of Beauty by Belk, and then the 24 Days of Gourmet Popcorn by Joe and Seth. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, we're going to be starting with the Joe and Seth's popcorn today. This is what the inside looks like. And we are opening day 16, which is 19. 16 is down here. It's called Classic Caramel. I know I had this earlier on, so I will not be doing a tasting video of it, but I will make sure to post up above the link to when I first tried the Classic Caramel. I remember I really liked it. I think I gave it a 7.5 because it was just a good caramel popcorn. Alright, so now let's try the David's Tea. So you open it. Day 16 is down here in this corner. It is called Forever Frosty. This is what it looks like on the inside. Some pretty colors. Now let's look on the back where all the explanations are of what they are. It is a caffeine-free tea as well. It looks like it has apple, candied pineapple, cinnamon, almonds, marshmallow, artificial sweet roasted almond and natural orange flavoring, beetroot, rock sugar, coconut, orange peel, and cloves in it. So I will put a video of me trying out the Forever Frosty tea. Yeah, Forever Frosty. I'll put in a video of me trying it out now so you guys can see what my thoughts are on it. Alright, so this is the Forever Frosty tea. It's pink. Like, I wish I could show you what color it is without dumping it everywhere. But it's like a pinkish color if you can see the top there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's the color it is. Anywho, I'm excited to try this one. It smells really good. Here's the taste test. It tastes like something that I know. I want to say it's something that like I've had before when I don't feel good, like when I'm sick, like one of those type of teas. It's not orangey per se, but it's like more of a fruity tea. What was in this one again? There's some orange in it. So that might be what I'm tasting. It's really good though. I really like this tea. I would definitely buy this tea again. I think I would give this a 9 out of 10, honestly. I really enjoy this tea. So, alright, so last but not least, we have the 24 Days of Beauty by Belk. This is what the inside looks like. My one complaint about this box is that it falls apart really easily, but it was also a cheaper beauty calendar, so it's not that surprising. Day 16 is right here, so I will open that up now. It is a pencil sharpener, which is cool. It has like a little protection thing on, or not protection, a little like catcher thing, so it'll catch all of the shavings and all of that. So that's pretty cool. I might be able to actually use that. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been having a lot of fun filming this series, as you guys know, and I'm excited to see you tomorrow at the same time. Make sure you follow me on all my social media so you guys know when I post videos, or hit the little bell icon when you hit subscribe so you can stay notified of when I post. My Instagram is miss_Jenna D_. My Twitter is Jenna D Miss, and my Facebook is miss_Jenna D. I hope to see you on one or all of the platforms, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Love you. Bye.